Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the Supreme movie meal in Heartopia game Dreamlight Cinematic Festival event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the food from the Dreamlight Cinematic Festival event, and if you want to make this meal, you need to have this popcorn serving cart. You can craft this item using your workbench. If you don't know how to craft this item, you can watch my previous video. And then we're going to use this item to make the Supreme movie meal. And to make the Supreme movie meal, don't forget to purchase the recipe from Massimo's cooking store. And this is the recipe guys. You will need the spring day fruit black tea, and then you will need the double combo bucket, the savory double combo bucket, and also the wild vegetable lettuce taco. Okay, let's try to make this food, and I'm going to click on start cooking. Okay, don't forget to adjust the heat level to avoid the bizarre food. Okay, adjust the heat level. Okay, done. And I've just unlocked the Supreme movie meal. Okay, wow. Okay guys, and that's how we can make the Supreme movie meal in Heartopia Dreamlight Cinematics Festival event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!